Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need admin rights and to close apps that may use the runtimes. First, sign into an administrator account and save your work. Then open Settings Right Arrow Apps on Windows 10/11 or Control Panel Right Arrow Programs and Features on older versions. Once there, switch to a detailed view and sort by name or installed on to group Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable entries together. This helps you see versions and prevents accidental removal of unrelated software. Select a single Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable entry from the list and click Uninstall, then confirm when Windows asks. Follow any on-screen uninstall dialogues. Some versions use different uninstallers, so read prompts. Once one finishes, reboot only if prompted. Otherwise, continue removing other versions you no longer need. Make sure to keep versions required by essential apps. Removing every runtime can break programs. If unsure, uninstall the most recently added or unused versions first to limit impact. After uninstalling, restart the PC if any uninstaller requested it. A restart completes file cleanup and registry changes. Then test the applications that depended on those runtimes. If an app fails, download and reinstall the specific Visual C++ redistributable version from Microsoft to restore functionality. If an uninstaller fails or leaves errors, run Programs and Features Right Arrow Repair on that entry if available, or use System Restore to roll back to a restore point made before changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.